How to add a watermark in Google Docs. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a watermark to your Google Docs document. First, open the Google Docs document, where you want to add a watermark. Next, click Insert in the top menu, select Watermark, and choose whether you want to add an image or text watermark. If you choose Image, click Select Image, and upload an image from your computer, Google Drive, Photos, or another available source. You can then adjust the watermark's formatting, such as its scale and transparency. If you choose text, enter the text you want to display and customize options such as the font, size, color, and transparency. You can also choose whether the watermark appears behind or in front of your document content. Once you're happy with the settings, click Done, and the watermark will appear throughout your document. And that's how to add a watermark in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Google Docs tutorials.